I will just update you about the season 2 of Grass Airdrop Foundation. So guys, this is already a season 2. So season 1 natin is sobrang daming yumaman. May mga naging instant millionaire pa doon. So ito guys, ito yung link ng Grass season 2. Pero for this one, you need to have a browser or Kiwi browser para ma-install niyo yung extension. Kasi guys, kailangan nyo dito ng Kiwi browser. Ito lang yung Kiwi browser na you must install. Ayan, Kiwi browser. Yan, kailangan nyo i-install dyan. At kapag na-install nyo na, i-open natin dyan yung Kiwi browser extension. So, ito guys. Ito yung extension ni Grass Foundation Airdrop. Okay, so now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano tayo makaka-earn dito sa Season 2 ni Grass. Yung Season 2 guys, actually yung Phase 1 niya, nag-start na siya October 14 to November 14 lang to. So, Season 1 hanggang November, yung Phase 1 ng Season 2 natin ay magtatapos lang siya November 14. So, right now, I have earned already 11,000 na points. So, dito sa dashboard, makikita nyo dyan yung earnings ninyo. If your Wi-Fi is already connected, makikita nyo naman dito guys sa your network. Yan. So, may nakalagay na connected. If it's not connected, nakalagay red, not connected, at hindi kayo makakaipon ng points. If it's connected, naka-green, at makikita nyo dito kung ilan yung earnings ninyo na makukuha at meron din time at kung gaano kalakas or yung quality ng internet ninyo. Sa akin is 75%. So guys, dito naman sa referral rewards, if your friends signed up using your referral link, you will also earn additional points. Kaya make sure na isend nyo din sa kanila yung referral link niyo para additional points din yon. At ang maganda dito guys kay Grass, if your Wi-Fi is turned on, mabilis makaipon ng points. So, yung suggestion namin is you just keep your Wi-Fi turned on, keep your device connected to the internet para automatic siya makaipon ng points at mas maraming points ang maiipon ninyo, diba? Kasi kung naka-off yung data nyo, you will not earn points. So guys, ang daming kumita dito. Eto na lang gawin natin. I will put the link, yung extension link, and then yung website link dyan sa comment section at description box para mabilis ninyo mabuksan yung account. Para mabilis kayo makapag-sign up. I will also include the Kiwi browser link para mabilis nyo siyang ma-install sa Play Store. So guys, papakita ko dito sa inyo yung mga kumita ng malaking pera sa Grass. Ayan guys, makikita nyo ang laki ng ano nila, no? Ayan, sa kanya naman 6,104. Ay, grabe. Ayan guys, 91,000. Kumita siya ng 91,000 pesos. Libre lang yan. Libre lang. 10,000 pesos. Grass price. Pero ngayon guys, yung price ni Grass, mataas na yung price ngayon. Check natin dito sa OKX. Grass CoinGecko pala. Dito sa CoinGecko, yung price niya, yung current price niya is $1. Yan, 59 pesos. Imagine guys, yung nagkaroon ng 16,000. Yung nagkaroon ng 16,000 na Grass, 16,000. Ayan 957,000 pesos. Almost 1 million guys. Kumita siya ng libre. Syempre, hindi lang naman siya solo miner. Marami din siyang referrals. Siguro ito ay influencer or content creator, and then marami siyang referrals. Yun yung nakadagdag ng points sa account niya. So guys, make sure na gawin nyo na to ngayon. You still have time to earn more Grass points, and then malay natin next year tayo naman yung kikita ng 6 digits or 7 digits, diba? So ayan guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, to this YouTube channel para updated kayo sa mga happenings kay Grass Foundation na airdrop. And yeah, I will also post different kinds of free crypto airdrops. Just make sure to subscribe and do this project, do this airdrop right now kay Grass Foundation. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.